Hey guys, I am coming to you today from Centrika. Centrika is a brand new development. It's only been open about a year, located in Fluvial. Fluvial, if you don't know where this is, it's kind of in the middle of town. We're about 10-15 minutes to the airport, 10 minutes till you get to Old Town, and we are behind the hotel zone. So if you know where the hotel zone is, because we're behind the hotel zone on the 8th floor, we have incredible ocean views, city views, and mountain views. Let me tell you a little bit about the condo. It is $399,000 US, a little over 1,400 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and this owner has done a few upgrades throughout. You're gonna notice that we've got brand new tile floor, granite in the kitchen, upgraded quartz backsplash. She's even got a commercial grade air conditioner to save bills, to save money on your bills. So we're excited to show you this and come and take a look, guys.
All right, this is what you're going to see when you're walking into your beautiful condo. You cannot escape the mountain views. Literally, from the minute you get up here until the minute you walk inside your condo and all around your condo, you have amazing amazing mountain and city views. Nice open floor plan. And as I mentioned, you've got upgraded tile throughout the entire unit. In the kitchen, she's upgraded and put granite countertops in. We've got a nice quartz backsplash. Love this kitchen. Literally have everything that you need. I love how all these built-ins, and then even in the laundry, which is right off, you've got a great little size bodega here. And let me tell you one great thing about the location of this laundry is that it vents to the outside. I don't know why, but here in Mexico, not every developer does that. And then when you're drying your clothes, it ends up being super hot. So as you can see, nice open floor plan here. I'm gonna walk outside and show you these great views. And she's got humongous terraces. So you've got great sized terraces off of both of the bedrooms and the living room as well. These are your views. Absolutely stunning. And I wish it could do some justice, like taking a video. It just doesn't. So beautiful. Things look like they're 10 times farther away than they are in reality. Alrighty. Off of the main living space, you have a great half bath. And one primary, one secondary suite. One other nice thing about these bedrooms is they both have ensuite bathrooms. We've got a his and her closet on either side. Love a glass shower. And I'll show you the view to both when I get here, right next door into the primary suite. And these are really good sized bedrooms. I mean, this is 1,114 square feet. So you've got great space here. And let me take you to the other side of the building now so you can take a look at these views. I mean, it is absolutely incredible, guys. Fluvial is a wonderful neighborhood. You are very centrally located here. Lots of great restaurants. You've got Costco, La Comer, if you've got pets. Petco is back here. Freddy's Toucan is a great spot for breakfast. They just opened up another restaurant here. I'll give you one last look, different view of the primary and secondary suite. We'll walk through one more time, give you one last little shot of the living room, dining room area. So bright, so airy in here. And to tell you the truth, we're about to come into our high season or low season, which means it's super hot here. And the breezes that you're getting off of this 8th floor, I don't even know that you would need your air conditioner. Maybe in August and September. I mean, there's a constant breeze whipping through here, guys.
All right, so now that you've had a chance to take a look at everything, I'll give you a little recap. It is $399,000. The building was built 1 year ago. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little over 1,114 square feet. And if you guys have any interest, you can hit me up on my DMs, give me a call, or send me an email. I am super excited to show you this unit. We can do an in-person showing or a virtual if you are online. This would also make a really great rental if you're an investor looking for something. There's a ton of long-term investors that are, long-term renters that love to be in Fluvial. We have a ton of Canadians that like to come down here. You'd be able to rent this place out with super ease. Have a great day, guys.